Hey guys, today I'll teach you how you can become content creator using AI. You can use these AI for free by clicking the link in the description. The first AI is Answer the Public. You can search your YouTube video topic here. I'll type AI and then I'll click on enter. You can also select language. Here are the results. From here you can select the topic of the video. For example, I'll select which AI can make videos. I'll copy the topic from here and then I'll ask ChatGPT to write a script for me. Then I'll click enter. Okay, so here is the script. I'll copy the script. After copying the script, I need to create a video. I'll come to DID and I'll click on create video. I'll copy my script here and from here I can choose my character, and after choosing the character I'll click on generate video. This is how you can create videos and become content creator using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.